Hey yo, what's up fam? Today we back in the stew for another video. Y'all saw the title, so I'm not really gonna say what it is. We're gonna get into it in a little bit, but leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells, and let me know what type of content you would like to see on the channel. Actually turning a new leaf, people. Yes, there is Supreme involved. I will keep doing that because I know that's what you subscribe for most likely, but there's gonna be some changes over here, bro. There might be some shit on the way. You don't even know it, so subscribe to the channel. Yo, I deadass got bit by hella mosquitoes this weekend. Whenever I'm outside, they be killing my shit. I'm over here itching like I got the herp. Now my shit all red. What's going on, bro? Alright, hold on. I feel like Supreme has been kind of weak this season. If y'all been copping, let me know in the comments. Lately, I haven't really been fucking with buying sneakers or clothing. I'm kind of in like this weird transition phase where I don't really even want to wear most of my Supreme, if that makes sense. Like, I just want to wear a regular plain tee. I'm trying to switch the whole style up. I feel like I'm going through a style crisis right now. I'm trying to get some different type of pants, some different type of vibes in, so I could eventually get my Rickies. I want some Rick Owens. I've been talking about it here and there in certain videos, but it's almost time. I feel like I'm gonna have to sell some shit in my collection. It is what it is, you feel me? We gonna have to make something do, because I know that them shits cost like almost $1,000, and I am not, repeat, am not coughing $1,000 for no sneakers at this point. So I'm probably gonna have to flip, you feel me? Go through here and just sift out some bullshit and trade it for the sneakers that I actually want. There's certain styles in fashion that just don't match me anymore. I'm trying to like blend certain vibes up, and I feel like low-key we gonna be there shortly. When I was Big Boy Nori, I wasn't really thinking about my style that much. I just knew that I was doing my Supreme shit and that was what it was. But now that I did lose probably like 70 pounds at this point, I'm more conscious of my style. Like back in the day, I was styling on some crazy shit, so I'm trying to get back to that and not stick inside that t-shirt and jeans vibe. Do not be alarmed if you see me pull up to the function in some slacks, bruh, because that might just be the type beat I'm on. You know, my camera's dying. I'm about to sit down, talk about this Supreme shit with y'all. Don't know if I'm gonna be copping this week, but I feel like this is a pretty decent one. Honestly, I'm kind of sick that I didn't end up buying the fitted last week because it was something that I really wanted. Priorities got the best of me, so it is what it is. Before we get started, just follow Nori Archives, bro. We almost less than 1,000 away from my actual page, and low-key I need to start posting more on here. I'm about to hone in, dead ass. But yeah, fuck all that. Let's get into the drop list. This week there's AntiHero, which there is like a couple mock-ups, I guess you could say. This basically has the Super and then the hero under it. I feel like this is kind of cool. It has a little doggo on it, you feel me? I don't know, but the dog is humping the letter O, bro. If you look closely, bro is deep in that letter O. He's inside that shit, for real. So it's cool. I'm probably gonna sleep on it. We do got doggo right here humping the T as well. Hey, I do like the way that the Super and the hero is looking, but doggo really humping the fucking T. Like, this shit crazy. This hat is actually hard, I'm not gonna lie. If I could get my hands on this, I definitely would. Blue is actually pretty solid as well. Oh shit, this is actually what's gonna be on it. I thought they were just fucking around. Doggo is dead ass humping the letter O, bruh. He's humping it on every piece, low key. Look, he's on the hoodie with it, on the tee with it, on the hat. He is everywhere. Y'all can see that there is this other tee right there where like two ladies talking or some shit. There's like eagle heads on them. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but that's some shit that's gonna be releasing. My favorite piece so far has to be the hat. That shit is clean, bro. It's almost like a meme collection. I'm not even gonna lie. If it does differentiate a lot from this video, then I'll make another video on it. But we do got this nylon blanket. This is a blanket, bro. Oh, I thought this was a bandana. That's gas. I'm not gonna shit y'all, bro. That's fire. Low key, the whole time I'm like, yo, why the fuck is a bandana at the top of the list? This shit gotta be ass this week. This is a whole blanket, bro. The Super Gang blanket. This shit go crazy. I'm assuming this is like on some shit for camping or something, because it does have little pins, meaning that you could put these shits down and like have a picnic or something. That's kind of gas. There's this Anonima Castelli Playa chair. This is basically like a see-through ass chair. This shit look like it's hella uncomfortable. You're gonna be sitting on this shit for like 30 minutes, your ass gonna be numb. Like, I'm good on this. These the baby shower chairs right here. Low key, you know what I'm talking about. I'm good on these, I'm not gonna lie. I have bought a lot of Supreme chairs and shit like that in the past, and this isn't one that I'm actually excited for. It all depends on the retail. If it's like $60 or whatever, that's cool, which I doubt. These were made in Italy too. Like, bro, these are gonna go for bread. I'm actually about to check. They're smoking it, bruh. Smoking it. They want 285 euros for the plain one. Supreme finna tax that ass. You know Supreme finna tax that ass, no question. I'm good on this one. We do got the fat tip jacquard sling bag. This is actually fire. It reminds me of like luxury bags, almost like a Louis V Gucci type bag. If this didn't have the big fat tip, hey yo, pause, bruh, pause. But yeah, there's no recovering, huh? This literally looks like some shit that somebody sprayed on the wall. I'm fucking with this. I'm a big fan of graffiti, so this is right up my alley. Now, I do wish that this black denim had like a tonal print on it. That would have been way cooler. It is what it is. One of my favorite pieces has to be this patchwork hoodie. This shit goes hard. In the black, this shit is crazy. I feel like it's one of those pieces that you could just freak all the time. I'm fucking with this one. The brown patchwork, not so much. I honestly thought I would like it more than I do. Now that I'm seeing it right here, it's just not something that I would really wear too often. But that black just has the right amount of texture, the right amount of color. It just looks perfect. You also do have that Easter one, which in all honesty, I can't see myself wearing that one too much. That's probably like literally an Easter fit, and I probably wouldn't pull that shit out again. I have been in the market for like a zip up hoodie. I don't really have any, and I really want to get into that, but I don't know if this is gonna be my first one. I low-key gotta work my way up. I think this is a clean ass hoodie though, and they are coming out with the shorts as well, so might as well talk about them. Shorts in black go crazy. Even that brown color is kind of more passable on the shorts, but I just love the cleanliness of that black pair. I feel like those are so subtle. It's just the texture on them that I'm fucking with mainly. I don't know if any of these are gonna have resell though. If anything, the hoodie would, but I don't even think that shit's gonna do too great. We do got the legendary short sleeve top. This one comes in 5 different colorways, and I actually think this shit is ass, bro. It reminds me of Ed Hardy in his prime, like dead ass. Look at the lions, bro. Come on, that's literally 2000 something era when like Jersey Shore was the shit. This shirt looked like it was worn by Vinny to a club, dead ass. I'm good on this one. We probably gonna skip on it. That olive tone though, that shit is clean, but I don't know if I could get behind this shirt. And retail on this shit is gonna be a little higher than the regular tee. They could low-key take a seat with this one. Like, nah. Good on that. We got this waist bag, which is the same shit as the other thing. 3 colors on this one. The black one's not too bad, you feel me? But hey, I'm probably gonna sleep on these shits. Like, I do like the materials that they're using. This looks like a higher quality bag coming from Supreme, but it's just too loud. Like, low-key, if these were just without the fat tip, it would be more passable. I don't know if I'm really trying to rock with these. This is too loud. Like, bro, look at this bag. Dead ass. Who is buying this shit unless you're going hiking somewhere? I honestly wish it just had one Supreme spell out in that graffitied font. We would have been good. That's it, bro. Just one of those. I would have literally missed out on this patch. Just put one of those and we would have been straight, bro. But no, we do got this raffia crusher. This one comes in 4 colors, and honestly, this looks like a fucking outdoor furniture material. Tell me I'm tripping. This looks like some shit that be on the metal chairs under the umbrella in your backyard. Deadass, look at this and go look at that and tell me it don't look the same, bro. We got the cut off double knee denim painter pants, bro. Where are you going with these? These shits for real look homeless. Like, I'm not even trying to go too far in. We got this reversible basketball jersey. Nah, just nah. I see the vibe. I see it. I'm not even the basketball jersey type dude, so don't even get me on that side. You do have a tag, but it says reversible. There's so much going on that I just don't understand right here. I'm gonna back my way out smoothly on this piece. That's all we got so far. So in the comments right now, let me know what your favorite item is that we spoke about in this video. There's not too much to go off. I understand. This blanket actually caught me by surprise. I thought this was a whole ass bandana. We got the transparent baby shower chair, the little Fuchi bag right here, this patchwork set, not too bad, you feel me? This is probably one of my favorite wearable pieces, especially in that black color. The shorts as well in the black go crazy. This shit, the little knapsack, what do you have in there? Peanut butter jelly sandwiches to the top. We got this waist bag, which once again is literally the Fuchi aroma, and you got the Vinny Ed Hardy party shirt, bro. This the backyard special. Look up Raffia chairs, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find your backyard set on there. The homeless pants, and then you got the jersey to match. Low-key, there's like 2 to 3 pieces. Maybe that top row is decent. Besides that, everything under is so ass. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. AntiHero shit is alright from what we can see so far. If there's any changes, I will make sure to come back and update y'all with the retails and all that shit. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. Let me know what's your favorite piece releasing in the comments below. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and don't forget, subscribe, cause we on road to 20K, bro. Let's not waste no time. I got some shit in the works already. I've been filming, my fucking throat hurt. Pause. And I think I need some water. So low-key, we gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Make sure you have a great ass day. If it's your night, wind down, you feel me? Grab yourself some Cheetos or some shit. Don't eat too much though. Check them portions, you feel me? Cause shit be crazy out here. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.